want to share with you how I will be using some coffee mate jars to create a vertical growing space. So I am currently in the process of creating a new layout for my garden for the upcoming season. By the grace of God, I know it sounds like it's too early, but just as how it's never too late for a shower of rain, it's never too late or never too early for you guys to clean up your garden and do something different. All right, so let's dive into the video right now. Okay guys, so I will be using my Cobalt brushless drill along with these two bits. One is a 7/8 bit and this one is a 3/8 bits. Now I will be using the 7/8 bits to drill a big hole in one side of one of the containers. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so you get your container. There is always a lining almost in the bottom of every containers. All right, so I am going to drill the hole right here. Oops. Guys, I forget to tell you to hold the container. My bad. All right, so as simple as that. See, you have a very cleaner cut. Now what I will be doing with this container is this. All right, so here is the piece of iron that I'm using, and I'm just putting this jug over it, and I am going to bring it all the way down and rest it on. Well, I'm going to turn this one in that way, and the others I will turn it in the other direction. Pull this out a little bit. Slide that, see, so it's settled there, or if you want to turn it around, it's up to you, whichever way you want to set it, but I'm going to set this one in like that. What I will be doing, I will be putting a rock in the bottom of this, and then I fill it with soil because I want it to be stabilized and to have it firm, because the others will be going on top, going all the way up. All right, so let me get that rock to do the demo, because what I will be planting in here, the rock is not going to affect it. Just give me a second, guys. So here are my rocks, 2 of them. I'm dropping them in. I could actually put more if I want to. And then I am going to add some native soil. The reason why I'm using native soil, guys, is because the type of flower that I'm going to plant in here, they can grow in any type of soil, doesn't really matter. And I will be showing you the flowers that I will be using in a little bit. Now you don't have to fill the container all the way to the top, guys. You don't have to, because trust me, the root system of these flowers, they will grow as deep as how they want to go. All right, so after doing that, I'm wetting the soil. Wait for the water to drain out, and then I'm going to retrieve some of the flowers that I will be using. So this flower, guys, it's actually called the 10 o'clock flowers. They are very, very easy to grow. So I'm just going to pinch off some little pieces like this. I might not use all of this that I'm pinching off now in this one container right here, but all I need to do is just to stick the flower in there like that. Stick it in there. All right, so that's one color. Let me go ahead and try another color, because I think that one is either yellow or pink, and this is This is a white one, guys. Oh, that was my shovel. So I'm going to stick this white one in between these two. And if you don't want to break your flower, you can actually use a little piece of stick or your finger to poke a hole in the soil to stick your flower down in there. All right, so that is just the beginning. All right, so let me just go ahead and continue now with the other containers and show you exactly what it will look like when I am done. So I'm now going to use the 3/8 bit to put the holes in the bottom of the jug. All you need is actually this many holes. You don't really need a lot. All right, so I will only be doing one side of the vertical grower for now, for demo, and then when I'm done I will show you the completed look. Alright guys, so this is what my vertical planter is looking like currently because I run out of bottles. I only have one left on the ground. So you all know I am going to go searching right now to see if I can find some more. But remember guys, for you to stabilize the jugs on the mop stick, broomstick, steel, whatever you're going to use, remember to put the rocks inside to keep them from spinning all the way around. All right, I will be filling these with native soil, as I said. Don't be afraid to utilize your native soil, especially when you are going to be planting flowers. And you can also use this to grow herbs, vegetables like the ones that do not have a big root system, like lettuce, green onions, thyme, bok choy. You can plant them in here, and that gives me an idea. I am not going to plant flowers in all of these. All right guys, so that is it for today. Utilizing your containers in your garden, and just go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this vertical planter that I just created in the center of my garden. All right guys, I will see you soon. Remember, comment, like, share, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I upload the videos you will be notified. Ciao, see you soon guys. Bye.